Alright, what is up guys? It is Zach Bloche, and in today's video, so I'm actually sick, and earlier today I posted a video of me being sick, but for some reason I felt inspired where I was like, okay, either I could play video games, or I can try something that I've been wanting to do, which is get more into music creation. So yeah, today I'm trying out my first, I forget what these are called, it's like something like music workstation or something like that. But essentially I'm using like a music creation software called Reaper. Um, only like only OBS with screen share would not be not take up too much RAM or CPU or whatever the hell. If you have not selected an audio device, would you like to select your audio? Sure, why not? Alright, that's a bit more than I know what to do with, so I'm just gonna say okay with whatever's the default, and yeah, that's good enough. Why not? There we go, that's what I was looking for. Alright, nice. So let's see what we got here. So I have no clue what I'm doing. Let's go to help, documentation. That might be useful. Quick start. I like quick starts. Let's quick start. Alright, that opened up in Chrome on my other screen. Oh no, why did it open up in Brave? I mean, okay, whatever. I gotta change that setting. Boom, okay, that's a lot. How is that a quick start guide? Click on audio info at the right side of the menu bar, or options, preferences, control P, audio and device. So let's try that out. Okay, so options, preferences. I don't even see what it's talking about. Audio info at the right side of the menu bar? Right side of the menu bar. Options, preferences. Audio. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, I was already there. Alright, yep, so that's cool. EST, plugins. I don't know if I need those yet. MIDI devices, control surface. Alright, let's explore what a control surface is. Options, control surface. Options, okay, so same preferences. Control surface, control. Where the hell? Am I blind? Preferences and control surfaces. Maybe it's this thing. Oh, okay, control surfaces. Right. Okay, no clue what that is, so I'm just gonna cancel there. Set edit cursor, click timeline. Okay, set edit cursor. Wonder if I could run Zoom. I might get on a call with Kenny and do this on a recorded video so he can show me how to do stuff. Or Stas, I could do it with, well, I don't know if he knows this one, but let's see, definite loop selection, edit cursor, track timeline. Okay, so I can click and do stuff here. Do my arrow keys do so? Oh, that did something. Okay, that was interesting. Oh shit, I don't know what's happening. Let's just get rid of this. There we go. Okay, so arrow keys bring this thing to the right and to the left. I think Kenny recommended me this one because it has, like, I guess Vim controls apparently. Oh, if I press shift and the arrow keys left and right, I can move this with a little line. Yeah, look at that little line that I have no actual clue what the hell that is. I'm used to music drawing software, or at least I've used it before, but normally it was on like either like a simple like app, like iOS app. There's one called Audi. I've played guitar and made my own music, and I think, yeah, I rocked the shit out of the music creator on Little Big Planet, so that was fun, and a bunch of other old website games. Either way, and I recorded some songs. Let's see. but never using an official software. And when I did record it, it was someone else recording and not myself. So, okay, so this zooms in the amount of space between whatever these lines are. So these must be like some kind of beats or whatever these are called in music, in the music world. Let's see. Okay. Oh wait. Why am I'm being selfish here? Sorry. I'm not looking at this together with you. Um. Hmm. Okay. So set edit cursor. Click the timeline. Oh. Okay. So define loop selection. Okay. So that's a loop selection, time selection, link loop time. Okay, that's a bit more than I understand what it means. Set time cell to item. Oh, set time selection to item. Move time selection. Snap to grid. What about tracks? Show hide mixer. Okay, I think tracks is how you make sounds. Okay, so view and then mixer or control M. I like hotkeys, so I'm going to press control M here. Oh, they're already at the bottom apparently. Oh wait, there's a FX button. Ooh. Oh, did this play sound? Video processor? What the hell is this? Kako? Wait, is that Kakos? Kakos? Kakos. What an interesting name. Uh, Kakos. Got so surrounded by Kakos. Maybe it's like Zelda, like Kakos. I don't know. Kakos. Band EQ. Yeah, no clue what the hell this actually is. uh, um, like what it? Like, is that just me or is this like I was even on there a quick start and it's just not anything? Like, am I the crazy one? Change FX order. How does it? It doesn't say anything about like adding it though. Tempo actions. Oh wait, Kakos is the name of the people who made it? Maybe that's it. Maybe. Oh, okay, yeah. Kakos Reaper. Nice. Kakos. Nice Kakos. Okay, let's open up here. Nope, I cannot open this. I guess I gotta copy and paste it. Jellyfish. Well, that looks like a secure website. Welcome to the Kakos Incorporated Forum. Newbie Land. That looks nice. Let's go to Zach Goes to Newbie Land. Alright, so it's empty. Reaper explained. Don't fear Reaper. That's a funny play on words. Reaper chat. No, I just wanna... Yeah, let's do Reaper explained. That has the most views. Let's be noobs. Reaper is fast becoming a truly powerful and efficient DAW, and you have to speed on it. Okay, so he breaks it all down. So I click on this link. Please don't give me a virus. Groove3.com. Alright, Reaper 3 explain. Oh my god, wait, they're video tutorials? Oh shit. Okay. Well, we're at Reaper 6 now. I think what I will do is I will message Kenny and I'm gonna see if he is able to give me a walkthrough of this, and then we will record that, and I can show him this tutorial, or this, not even a tutorial, this walkthrough, um, and yeah, we will talk to him. So, alright, thanks for watching this, me attempt to and fail to learn Reaper off the bat because it's not intuitive, and, yep, I think we'll end it here.